These guys were getting chased for stealing a car. They then crashed it and ran away. This bull elk rings the doorbell with his antlers. The girls inside were not so eager to let him in. Apparently it was that time of the year, and he wanted to be part of ladies' night. This thief steals a Halloween decoration. Maybe he has wanted a friend for Halloween. This solicitor seems to not really know what soliciting means.
Can I help?
Hey, how's it going? Sorry to interrupt. I didn't ring the doorbell or anything. Yeah.
No, you can take that off. It says no soliciting.
Oh, I'm not soliciting. I'm just I'm offering you $1,000, and that's only if you guys decide to install a PV system on your roof to save electricity, save money on electricity.
No, thank you.
The homeowner was at work when these guys tried to break into her home, but she saw it unfold live on her phone and scared them off.
Oh, there's a camera up there. What's that doing?
Hello? Hello? Cops are on their way.
She was able to share the video with her neighbors online and ultimately confirm their identity. This dad was in for a surprise when a turkey approached him. Grandpa decided to bust a move, and the doorbell camera captured the funny moment.
Okay. Go over there, look in there.
Where?
Go, David. Go, David. Go, David. All right. All right, go. Go, Daddy. No, go.
Okay, ready, go again.
All right. Go, Daddy.
This pup is having the time of his life, with peach paper meant for the barbecue.
Go, 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 go! That's $30 paper.
He might have ruined the barbecue, but for him it was totally worth it. Everyone knows that firefighters are real-life heroes. And this video proves it when a firefighter rescues a family's pets from a massive fire inside the house. The homeowner received a notification from her Ring cam and saw a thief trying to steal her car, but thankfully she could scare him off with a siren. Here's another kind of thief trying to steal a car, but he's probably smarter than the last one. This girl couldn't go door to door to sell cookies due to the pandemic, so instead she practiced her best sales pitch on the doorbell camera.
Hello. Hello, I'm Allie. Would you like to buy some Girl Scout cookies? What kind would you like? My favorite kinds are the purple kind. What is yours? Well, you can buy them $5 in each, so would you like one? Or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5? For 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10? I don't know, maybe 11, 12. Well, it's a lot.
Check out this creepy guy sniffing on kids' dirty socks outside a random house. This mailman gets attacked by a crazy pit bull while delivering packages. Probably the weirdest clip of all is this man taking a serious poop in a doorway. Oh well, I guess when you've got to go, you've got to go. This little guy is probably the coolest trick-or-treater ever. Uber Eats driver is big mad over a $2 tip.
I drove 28 miles to get here and I had to put gas in the car and you only gonna give me a $2 tip? That $2 tip is good, man. That's not that. What are you talking about? Bro, now you bugging, bro. $2? What is that, bro? What is that? I don't even tip people. I tip you, man. You gotta be grateful. What? I tip you, man. You gotta be grateful. Nah, bro, I'm not jacking. Bro, you gonna have to come outside, bro. You gonna have to come outside, bro. Come on, bro. Like $2, bro. Now you gonna have to up this, bro. What's $2, bro? What's $2, bro? What the hell is $2? What is that, bro? What is that? What's $2? You bugging, bro. Yo, what's up with you, bro? $2? Yeah, that's a good tip. You didn't... Bro, I had to go get food for you. You ain't go yourself, bro. Yo, respect the delivery person.
I respect you, bro, but the food is expensive. I can't give you no more.
Bro,
so
$2? Bro, you ain't getting your food, bro. $2? $2, bro. Yo, what are you doing, man? Hold that, nigga. It's ridiculous, bro. You just snatched my food. Damn.
Crazy girlfriend thinks her boyfriend is in this apartment cheating on her, but awkwardly enough, she has the wrong house.
I know you in here with a Ma'am, you have the wrong house.
When the homeowner was at work, he got an alert on his phone. He opened the app to the shocking sight of massive billows of black smoke rising from his neighbor's house. But he also saw that the fire had somehow spread to his garden as well.
Hello, yes, I'm not there. Please put that out for me, please. I'm on my way home.
Your house on fire.
Yeah, I know, I'm on my way.
Hard on the door. But that's somebody talking.
I'll be on there I'll be there in a second.
This package thief gets a taste of instant karma. This family's Thanksgiving duck was smoking hot, literally. And to end this video, we deliver you the peak of comedy, a salesman leaving a great message for the homeowners. Maybe it was actually the homeowner farting in the speaker to tell the person he isn't interested. What is the weirdest thing that has happened at your front door? And which of these clips was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And make sure to subscribe and hit the bell if you want to see more videos like this one. While you wait for the next one, check out our other awesome videos. Goodbye.